This is my HP Mini 210, and I just installed Windows 11 onto it. It just booted up finally. First thing I'll probably want to do is set up the Wi-Fi. This is installed onto an SSD, but you can see how much in pain it is to do anything. I'm on battery right now. Let me go plug in the power adapter. So after plugging the power adapter, it might run a little quicker, but it's still pretty slow. Let me go log into my Wi-Fi. Logging it into my Wi-Fi right now. I don't really think this is usable, but I can kind of say this is about as fast as Windows 7 was running. I could be wrong, maybe I'm just blown out smoke, but opening Internet Explorer, aka maybe this is Edge, I don't know. And I want to install Google Chrome. But you can see how slow it is. It automatically wants to load up Bing because obviously this is Microsoft. So even though I was able to install Windows 11 on this 13-year-old laptop, mini netbook, it's super slow. I would definitely say it's not really usable. 2 gigabytes of RAM and a slow CPU is going to really slow you down. It's really thinking hard right now. Again, this only has 2 gigabytes of RAM, so it's pretty slow. I wanted to go to properties. This has an SSD upgrade, but right now it's so slow. I wouldn't suggest installing Windows 11 onto this netbook. It's having me go through all these questions. And I just want to install Google Chrome or any other browser, but you can see it's in pain. I tried opening properties and that's still loading. So again, this little experiment of mine, not that great. It's not too usable. I might just leave it on here because it probably runs as good as Windows 10. So I want to download your browser and install it. Yeah, oh darn, I should wanted to download Google Chrome, and it showed me on the right over here. As proof, you can see over here, this is the HP Mini 210. When I scroll down, you'll see that Windows 11 is installed. And over here you can see it has Windows 11 Home installed. Last thing I'm going to do for this video is try to install Google Chrome to just see how slow this computer is. Again, it's only running 2 gigabytes of RAM and an old Intel Atom processor. I think right now the biggest thing is the RAM itself. But you can see I have to wait a second or two to do anything. So I'm going to probably conclude the video here. This is painful. Oh wait, there it's downloading. So definitely not recommended. I'm just waiting, painfully waiting. I won't put you through any more pain, so just to let you know, it's very slow. But you can install Windows 11 on it if you want to. So if you have one of these lying around, you can. It's just going to be slow. And I never installed Windows Chrome yet, so that's a different story. See, finally downloaded it, and I can run it.